You think you're winning with your credit card rewards, the airline miles, the cash back, the hotel points. You're not winning. You're being played. And the people who are winning are the ones who designed the system. Here's what's actually happening and why most Americans will never figure this out. Every time you swipe a credit card, the merchant pays a fee. Not a small fee. An interchange fee that averages 2 to 3% of the entire purchase. On a $100 grocery run, the store pays $2.50 to the card network and your bank. Where does that money go? About 1 to 2% comes back to you as rewards. Cash back, miles, points. And you feel good about it. You feel like you're beating the system. But here's what they don't tell you. That interchange fee doesn't come from the bank. It comes from the merchant. And the merchant doesn't absorb it, they raise prices to cover it. Which means everybody pays it. Whether they use a credit card or not. The person paying cash at the grocery store is subsidizing your airline miles. The person using a debit card is paying for your hotel points. The family that can't qualify for a premium credit card is transferring wealth to the family that can. Researchers at the Federal Reserve Bank of Boston calculated it precisely. Credit card rewards programs redistribute about $15 billion per year from low-income Americans to high-income Americans. Every year. Without most people realizing it's happening. Now let's talk about late fees. Because that's where the real extraction happens. The average late fee on an American credit card is between $30 and $41. If you miss a payment by one day, you pay a $40 penalty on top of the interest already accumulating. In 2024, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau tried to cap credit card late fees at $8. They had the data. The actual cost to the bank of processing a late payment is less than $1. The rest is pure profit margin built into the penalty. The banks fought back. They sued. They lobbied. The cap was blocked in court. Late fees stayed at $40. American consumers paid over $14 billion in credit card late fees last year alone. And then there's the psychology trap. This is the piece that makes the whole system brilliant from the bank's perspective. Studies consistently show that people spend 12 to 18% more when paying with a credit card versus cash or debit. The rewards gamification, watching your points accumulate, chasing status tiers, unlocking travel credits, triggers the same dopamine pathways as a slot machine. You earned $47 in cash back this month. And you spent $600 more than you would have without the card in your wallet. The math doesn't work in your favor. It never did. The 30 to 40% of Americans who carry a balance every month are paying 22% interest on purchases they made to earn rewards worth 1.5%. They are borrowing money at 22% to earn 1.5% back. That's not a reward. That's a trap with a loyalty program attached. So what do you do about it? Move 1. Separate spending from earning. If you carry a balance, even occasionally, stop using rewards cards entirely. A 22% interest rate on a rewards card erases 14 years of 1.5% cash back in a single billing cycle. Use a low-interest card or a debit card while you pay down the balance. Move 2. Negotiate your fees. If you're a customer in good standing, call your card company and ask them to waive your annual fee. Most will do it once a year, no questions asked. Annual fees on premium cards run from $95 to $695, that's real money that can be eliminated with a 10-minute phone call. Move 3. If you do use rewards, use them strategically. Flat rate 2% cash back on everything is almost always better than complex tiered rewards with rotating categories and blackout dates. Simple beats complicated when you actually do the math. And always pay the full balance every month. The moment you carry a balance, the rewards become irrelevant. You're already losing. The credit card industry generated $183 billion in revenue in 2023. Every dollar of that came from somewhere. Most of it came from the people least able to pay it. You don't have to be one of them. Subscribe to Finance Alert Global for weekly alerts on the financial systems that are quietly working against you so you can stop paying for other people's first-class upgrades.